Wayne OBryan's whole life has led up to his unique ability to represent the needs of everyday people. The son of a factory worker and a housewife, Mr. OBryan was the first person in his family to get into legal practice after working his way through college and law school as a waiter. He spent a few years right out of law school representing insurance companies, learning exactly how they operate and which tricks they pull. This gave him the advantage of invaluable insight when he decided to go into practice for the people rather than the large corporations. With almost half a century of experience, Wayne OBryan has a wealth of legal knowledge, experience, and connections that make him an excellent resource to all of his clients. Moreover, Wayne is simply a guy who likes to help people. He comes into work every day seeking to do right by his clients and improve their lives, and he gets results. Wayne OBryan proudly serves the greater Richmond, Virginia area and is ready to take your call. Don't wait to start the rest of your life.